Here I have Nokia 220, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will firstly have to remove back cover from your device, so you can hatch it with your finger just like this. Then you can open it like this. Next step, you have to remove battery. So here you can find SD card slot, and here you have two SIM card slot, like one for this micro SIM and the one for this like normal SIM card. I bet most of you don't even remember it existing, but yeah, you can have like SIM card such big. So let's just enter to this code, slot. So to unlock it, you have to pull it from this side, and now it kinda like goes up, so you can like insert SIM card here. And then it goes kinda hard. Okay, so maybe some tool be needed, like this one, which might help you to open this slot. Why it doesn't open for me? I don't get it. Oh, finally it's opened. So like it's kinda hard to do it with bare hands, so you kinda will need this kind of tool to open this slot, and the same goes for this one. So here, when you have these slots opened, here you put your SD card. You have to put it like so it fits well in here. Then you close it and lock it by pulling it like on this side. Oh, now it's locked, and the same goes for a SIM card. So let's open it once again. Then you insert it like this way. Pull this lock down and lock it by pulling it on yourself. Then we put battery back in. Hold down end call button in order to turn on our device. And while it's turning on, we can put on back cover too. So as you can see, now we can see like my SIM card data on like main screen, which implies that SD card 1 found. And to show you that SD card found, we can go to storage, files, and we still can't find SD card here. But maybe if we go to settings and then to storage, still no SD card. Okay, so I guess my SD card is broken. I can't prove you that it's detected, but you've seen how you can insert it by yourself. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.